Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Here, myself Pawan Sharma. The battle of COVID-19 is still not over, and this can be won. Together, we can do it. All we need to do is to follow some basic precautions. Wear your mask properly, frequently wash your hands with soap and water, and for at least 20 seconds. Maintain a safe distance, avoid social gatherings. याद रखिए 2 गज की दूरी और मास्क है जरूरी जब तक दवाई नहीं तब तक कोई ढिलाई नहीं Welcome to the second video of science class 7 chapter number 17 forest our lifeline. In today's video we are going to understand about the importance of forest. So let us begin the video. Important forest produce. Forests are not only home to a rich diversity of flora and fauna, they also provide many useful products of our daily use. Forest trees such as the bamboo are used in making furniture, baskets, ladder, etc. And the teak tree is used to make furniture. The neem tree is used for medicinal purpose. Forest also provides raw material to make paper and other products such as gum, wax, rubber and honey. Firewood and dry leaves are used as kitchen fuel by the people living in and around forest. Tendu leaves, katechu, lag, raisins, etc. are important forest produce. Forests provide fodder for animals. We get most of the fruits and dry fruits from forest. Fruit like mango, orange, lychee, apple, pear, etc. grow in forest. Importance of forest. We depend on forest for our survival, from the air we breathe to the wood we use. Forests not only provide habitat to animals and livelihood to humans but also support many life-sustaining processes in the nature. Forest maintain water cycle. Forests play a vital role in maintaining the water cycle. Plants absorb water from the ground through their roots, and the excess water from the plants is released into the atmosphere in the form of water vapor, and this process is called transpiration. Plants release a huge amount of water into the atmosphere through transpiration. For example, a single apple tree loses as much as 30 liters of water in a day. The water vapor rises in the atmosphere and condenses to form clouds. The clouds move to the land due to sea breeze and bring rain. This is called precipitation. Forest recharge groundwater. The root of the tree make a soil porous. Rainwater seeps through these pores and recharge groundwater. Forests prevent wastage of rainwater in the form of runoff and maintain the water table. Forests also prevent flash floods by slowing down the movement of water. Forests preserve the environment. Forests play an important role in preserving the environment. Green plants take solar energy and convert it into chemical energy while making food. Thus, solar energy is transferred to other living beings through the green plants. Green plants utilize carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and release oxygen and maintain the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the environment. That's why forests are called green lungs. By absorbing the carbon dioxide, forests play an important role in checking global warming. Forests support soil conservation. The root of the trees hold the topsoil in a place. This prevents soil erosion by wind or by running water. Trees also help in improving the quality of soil. And now let's revise what we have learned today by answering the following questions. Question number 1. The bamboo are used in making, and your options are A. Furniture, B. Baskets, C. Ladders, D. All of these. And the right answer is option D. All of these. Question 2. Green plants utilize dash during photosynthesis and release dash. And your options are A. Carbon dioxide and oxygen, B. Oxygen and carbon dioxide, C. Only carbon dioxide, and D. Only oxygen. And the right answer is option A, carbon dioxide and oxygen. Question 3. A single apple tree loses as much as of water in a day. And your options are option A 10 liter, B 20 liter, C 30 liter and D 40 liter. And the right answer is option C 30 liters. Practice makes perfect. Students, it's time to practice. And your practice homework are on your screens. Try to answer them correctly. See you soon in the next video of this chapter. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.